Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
What if someone out there already knows your name, your date of birth, your phone number, and you never told them? What if, right now, a complete stranger could pretend to be you, open a bank account in your name, take a loan, or quietly destroy your financial life using nothing more than a few small details? It sounds like a movie plot, but it's not.
Every single day, thousands of people lose control of their identity because they shared something that felt small, harmless, normal. A birthday, a photo, an email address. In today's digital world, your personal information is more valuable than cash, and once it's out there, getting it back is almost impossible. So before you post, before you click, before you share, remember this: your personal information is power, and today we're going to show you how to protect it.
Hi, welcome to our podcast on personal information.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss why personal information really matters.
So first, let's define what personal information actually is.
Personal information includes your name, your age, your address, your phone number, and your email.
It also covers more sensitive details, like social security numbers or bank account information.
Yes, and even things like your birth date or passport number count as personal information.
Sharing personal information carefully is very important.
Absolutely, because it helps protect you from identity theft.
Identity theft happens when someone steals your personal information and pretends to be you.
And they can use it to commit fraud, like opening bank accounts in your name.
So one key rule is never share personal details with strangers.
Online safety is extremely important here.
For example, don't post your home address on social media.
And be very careful when filling out forms on websites you don't fully trust.
Always check if a website is secure before entering sensitive data.
A secure website usually has HTTPS in the URL.
Also, don't click suspicious links in emails or messages.
Phishing scams often try to steal personal information.
So, how do we protect our digital personal information?
Use strong passwords and change them regularly.
Also, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible.
It adds an extra layer of account protection.
Remember to log out from shared devices.
And avoid saving passwords on public computers.
Another tip is to review privacy settings on social media.
Limit who can see your posts, photos, and personal details.
Only share information with trusted friends and family.
And always be careful when giving your phone number.
Yes, Unsolicited calls or messages can be risky.
Sometimes apps ask for more information than needed.
Only provide what is necessary for the service.
Think twice before sharing your date of birth online.
Birth dates are used in security questions.
Those answers can unlock your accounts.
Keep your home address private.
Oversharing online can be dangerous.
Is sharing photos online always safe?
Share pictures without personal details.
Avoid photos showing house or school.
Geotags can reveal your location.
Turn off public location settings.
Be careful with online surveys.
Some surveys request sensitive information.
Read privacy policies before submitting.
Companies must explain data usage.
You can refuse sharing certain details.
Request your stored data anytime.
This is called data access request.
Many countries protect personal information.
GDPR in Europe is one example.
In the US, there are laws like CCPA in California.
These laws give you control over your personal information.
Let's talk about school and work. How do you handle personal info there?
Only share required details with teachers or HR.
Don't leave personal files lying around.
Always store sensitive papers in a safe place.
Use passwords or encryption for digital files.
Encryption protects data from hackers.
Shred old documents before throwing them away.
Especially bank or medical records.
Many people ignore this step.
But it can prevent identity theft.
Always check app permissions.
Restrict unnecessary access.
What about public Wi-Fi? Is it safe for personal info?
Not really. Public Wi-Fi can be risky.
Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public networks.
Or use a VPN for safer browsing.
A VPN encrypts your internet traffic.
Making it harder for hackers to steal your data.
Let's discuss personal information in emails.
Don't include sensitive details in unencrypted emails.
Especially passwords, credit card numbers, or SSN.
If you must share, use secure email services.
Now, what about personal information in phone calls?
Only share sensitive info with verified people.
If someone calls claiming to be a bank, hang up first.
Then call your bank directly to verify.
Scammers often use fake phone numbers.
And sound convincing, so always be cautious.
Another key aspect is personal info in medical records.
Hospitals must keep your information private.
Only authorized staff should access it.
And you can request copies of your medical data.
Digital health apps can also collect sensitive info.
Check privacy policies
before using them.
Avoid apps that share your data without permission.
Now let's talk about passwords again.
A strong password has letters, numbers, and symbols.
Avoid obvious passwords like your name or birth date.
And never reuse passwords for multiple accounts.
Use a password manager to remember strong passwords.
This makes your accounts safer and easier to manage.
Let's discuss personal info in online shopping.
Only shop on trusted websites.
Check reviews and security certificates before buying.
Avoid saving your credit card info on untrusted sites.
Use payment options like PayPal for extra safety.
Personal info can also include hobbies and interests.
Sharing them online can reveal patterns about you.
Be careful with quizzes and games that ask personal questions.
They may collect your data without clear consent.
Your digital footprint matters more than you think.
Once online, your info may be stored forever.
Always think before sharing anything personal.
Even small details can be combined to steal identity.
Let's talk about social security numbers.
Never share them online or in casual conversation.
They're very sensitive and unique identifiers.
They're often used to verify your identity.
Losing control of them can cause major problems.
Always store your ID documents safely.
Keep photocopies separate from originals.
Use secure folders or lockboxes for extra protection.
Now, consider what personal info to share with friends.
Only share what you are comfortable with.
Friends may share info accidentally or with others.
Respect privacy for yourself and others.
Teaching kids about personal information is crucial.
They should learn what to share and what to keep private.
Even at school, they need to understand safe behavior online.
Parents can guide them on secure apps and websites.
Remember, personal information is valuable.
And once it's lost, it is very hard to recover.
Regularly review what you share online.
Delete old accounts you no longer use.
And update privacy settings often.
Knowledge about personal information empowers you.
It keeps you safe from fraud and identity theft.
That's all for today. Stay safe and protect your personal information.
Today, we learned important lessons about protecting our personal information online.
This teaches us safety, privacy, and protection from digital crimes.
We should learn to use strong passwords and protect our online accounts carefully.
Because weak passwords can cause identity theft and financial losses.
One big lesson is thinking before sharing on social media and websites.
Sharing too much personal information can create safety and privacy risks.
We also learned to verify phone calls and never trust unknown callers easily.
Scammers can sound very convincing, but can steal personal information.
Another lesson is checking website security before entering bank or personal details.
Secure websites help protect data from hackers and online attacks.
The benefits of protecting information are safety, privacy, and financial security.
It gives us control over our digital identity and online reputation.
But risks are also real if we ignore online safety rules.
We may face fraud, identity theft, and loss of important personal data.
So always think before clicking links and before sharing personal details.
Because once information is online, it can stay there forever.
Protect your information, protect your future, stay safe in digital world.
Be careful, be smart, and stay safe always.
Thank you for watching Mr. Khan English Channel.
Stay alert, stay wise, and stay safe and secure.